Hi, welcome to my channel. I wanted to quickly show you all this wonderful property. It gets really scary when you're starting to see your dreams possibly coming into fruition. It's a possibility. Don't get scared. Keep pushing. But this property is in Twin City, Georgia for 30,000. You can pay for it cash or get a small loan. It says enjoy the best of both worlds. Oh, I also want to show you all it's been on sale for 185 days. So the seller may be motivated to drop this price. All right, so this is on 3 acres in Emanuel County. Now it says no restrictions. I would still call and verify. It has the surrounding cities for restaurants, my favorite, shopping and entertainment, and it's 5 minutes to the interstate, which is very important. You know, sometimes you don't want to drive 30 minutes before you get to the interstate or an hour. So this is very important. So it could be rural, but at least you can get to the interstate in 5 minutes. So that's very important. Also, about less than an hour drive to the Hyundai plant. So if you looking for work, you may can work there in Bryan County. 20 to 25 minutes to Vidalia, 35 minutes to Dublin, 20 minutes to Swainsboro. So you're centrally located between these various other cities, and minutes to Georgia Southern University. If you have kids, college students or high school students, they could possibly go to this college. The only issue I have is that there is an easement for a driveway to the property. So I would need to research that and find out if we can, fix this prior to, make it a contingent and see if that could be rectified prior to you making an offer or making a final purchase. All right, so I don't see the zoning, but it does say no restrictions. However, we're still going to research if tiny homes can be built or if you can have a tiny house on wheels in Emanuel County, Georgia. So we'll still research that. All right, so let's see what this easement means. Go into my trusty Google. We see how the highway is right there. So very nice, very important. Probably the property over here somewhere. So although it's rural, it's okay. It's paved. The roads are paved, 2 lanes, and space on both sides in case you're veered off. I'm always afraid of that. So it looks pretty. It looks pretty promising. Not too many neighbors. Secluded. Lots of land around you. This is a good potential. Lots of trees. Lots of privacy. You can build your beautiful tiny home community. Although it's 3 acres, you need to find out if that is a possibility to build an RV park slash cottage community slash tiny home community. You can word it how you need to word it for them to, give you the green light. All right. So it looks really, really good. We're still going to do our little walkthrough when we get on Google. I don't see any near neighbors. Looks like this is the highway. Let me see how close. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, I don't want to be too close to the highway. This is not bad at all. You see like this house, that's too close for me. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be on this side. Very, very nice. Not too bad. This is our house here. Okay, so this is very promising. I love the price. I don't like that it's 3 acres. I am looking for 7 or 10 or more acres because sometimes when it's just three, even though it says no restrictions, you may be restricted to how many homes you can put on that lot. So definitely call the county planning and zoning and get more details. Let me see if this is available. Okay, this is what it looks like here when you're walking it on the street view. Let's see. I'm gonna go down this way. Looks really good. So it's probably somewhere over here. Okay. Okay, that's the Highway 16 coming up. That was the sign. Not bad at all, guys. I don't see any homes nearby, and if there are homes, they're probably behind all these trees. So very private, secluded area. And it gets scary when you see that, oh my goodness, I can do this. Don't get scared. Oh, look, I see a mailbox. So this is probably someone's residence. So you see the long driveway. This is very private. This is what I'm looking for. Long driveways, and no one looking, no nosy neighbors. You have your own private sanctuary slash community. This is what I'm looking for. This is really, really nice to me, in my opinion. This is really, really nice. Something that I'm looking for. Very, very exciting. So this is the way it looks on the map on Google Maps. See, this is the highway, and that was the home. And this is the satellite view. It's way in the air, aerial view. Very, very, very doable. You have stores nearby, and of course, we're going to double check all of that. Let's look at the lot line. Very, very doable, guys. Nice homes nearby. Well, not too close, so it looks like the homes are not too close. So, very, very doable. Okay. All right. So let me know what you all think so far. Comment below. Would you all move to this area? Let's see. Let me go to Google and see what else we can find nearby. So very, very beautiful home so far. Let's look at the street view on my realtor app. Oh, very nice. Okay, you have, I guess, a trash pickup, so that's important. Some areas are so rural, you're responsible for your own trash. So this is very, very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see. I really, really do. I like it. The only problem is I need to figure out the commute. So now it's like, okay, wow, this is it. I have to figure out the commute. This is definitely going to be different. I'm getting scared. But I'm excited, excitedly scared. All right, so let's go on Google and see what restaurants are nearby, hospitals, etc. Whew, don't get scared. This is not the time to get scared. All right, let's see what you got, Madam Google. Okay, so let's see. Remember how we did? You're gonna go. Oh, look, they have some hotels nearby. This is cool. Let's see. And it looks like a gas station. Let's see, restaurants. Okay, they have a crab house. Let's see what you got, crab house. I don't eat fried foods. Let's see if they have a menu online. Oh, they got stew, fried shrimp. Hmm. Oh yeah, gator tail. Okay. They have a Facebook, so they don't, it doesn't look like they have a menu online. So we were looking at some restaurants, and we're still looking at restaurants. So this is the home here, and it looks like there's a restaurant called Uk Hatib Mediterranean Sizzle, and that is here. They have, oh, right here. So I don't know where that one is taking me. So it's here. They have Taste of Philly, probably Philly cheese sandwiches. They have Cafe 292. Look at all the stars. It's like very, very good stars. The Treehouse. I always say if it's 4.5 and up, it may be okay. Japanese. This is Ruby Tuesdays. Red Stag. And look at the price, 20, $30. Let's see okay, this one doesn't have a price. Some of them even have prices. I like that. 10, 20. It's a very reasonable. Bamboo Express, $10, $20. Tapas. Oh, I'm curious. Let me click this one. Tapas. Let's see what you got, tapas. Oh, here's a menu. Formaggi. Okay. Pizzas. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Well, let's look at some grocery stores. Food Lion. Okay, guys, this is not bad at all. Very excited. Everything looks like it's about 22 minutes from the house. They have some churches along, looks like this road. They have, churches nearby. Oh, whoa, they have a RV park. Okay, so my tiny home here, possibly, and then an RV park here. What do y'all think? You have to see if they'll let it. Oh, let me click this RV park. Oh, see? Look at there. They got a nice little okay. Interesting, guys. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. Wow, this is so cool, like scary cool. This is a good sign. Mine would be a tiny home slash RV park, tiny home community. Wow, this is very, very promising, guys. I'm very excited. Okay, so I had clicked a few other restaurants while I was, doing my search. So this is for Highway 46, Twin City, Georgia. Now, I do want to see if the tiny homes are legal in Emanuel County, and I also wanted to see the nearest hospital. Let's look at one. This is very important. Let's not lose our focus. Wow. Y'all see that? It's not too bad. It's along that Highway 16. So let me put it in as a direction. And let's put our, oopsie, that's 046 highway. What was it? Highway 46. Yeah, there it is. 0, Georgia. Wow, guys, under 20 minutes to the hospital. Walgreens. This is scary good. Scary good. So let's look at our tiny homes legal in tiny homes legal in Emanuel County, Georgia. Yes. Oh, okay. They can be site built, manufactured, or on wheels. Guys, oh my God. This is so amazing. So the only thing, oh my God, I got chills. Ooh. Well, guys, this is a possibility. Oh, this is so cool. I'm going to call them and I will keep you all posted. This is Twin City, Georgia, guys. Power. You see that? Power line already there. Okay, guys. So let me know what you all think in the comments below. This is not bad at all. Only thing is the acreage, but you got to start somewhere. Well, guys, that's all I have for you all today. I really enjoyed this one. No restrictions in Emanuel County, Georgia. 3 acres. Let me know what you all think. Bye. Take care of yourselves.